Okay guys, here we are. It is that time. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go to the YouTube random comment picker. We are going to put the URL in. We're going to filter duplicate users. And we are going to get YouTube comments. We had 36 unique comments. Now also remember guys, we had to, if you remember what I said part of this was, is you had to thank Man Mountain Link in your comment. So we're going to go ahead and draw for number one, and remember it has to be in the comment that you thanked Man Mountain Link. I said that specifically to make sure that this video would get watched, because I wanted everybody to see exactly what he did and how generous it was. So here we go. And our winner is Josh Ortez. Josh Ortez has won first place. So let me see. Wow, that is awesome. That man has a great heart. I'm going to go sub him right now. Congratulations on 900. I would love that. Well, Josh, you got an Army copper, so there you go, buddy. So we're going to write that down. Josh Ortez. Let's see, RTIZ is first. Alrighty, now let's see who is going to get second place. Second place goes to Moko's Enterprises. Wahoo on you, bud. Dean. Well, you probably, I don't know that you really wanted it. It doesn't say, you know, specifically thanking Man Mountain Link, so I have to go with my rules. I'm so sorry, but I have to do it. It was in the rules, so I'm going to draw for number two again. So let's draw for number two again, and let's see who we got. Winner Ron Ralph's son went over to subscribe Man Mountain Lake expecting a large, well-established channel. I was surprised that he didn't use all these items to grow his own channel. Me too. His generosity is beyond words. I always say mail calls are like an early Christmas. This is like 2 or 3 birthdays thrown in beside. It sure is. Well, you mentioned him very well. You did good. So Ron Ralph's son is number 2. Ron Ralph's son is second place. So we're going to draw for third place now. So we will pick another winner, and third place winner goes to Rookie Roll Hunter. It says, thank you MML for the generosity and donated to Dino's milestone giveaway. Thank you, Dino, for the time and talents and sharing your experience in metal refining. Well, Rookie Roll Hunter, you are winner number 3. Rookie, I said Ricky. Rookie Rookie Roll Hunter is third place, and now we will draw for fourth place, and the fourth place winner is Cheryl Busman. So Cheryl Busman is our fourth place winner. She says the generosity of Man Mountain Link is epic. I watched you open the lab things. I thought that was amazing. He is really something. The gifts just keep coming. What an amazing person he must be. What amazing person he must be. I couldn't be happier for you. I couldn't be happier for you, Dino. And hearts to you and the camera lady. All right, Cheryl. Thank you very much. So Cheryl Busman is our 4th place winner. Is 4th place. Okay, guys, as normal, I will go ahead and let you know right now that we'll give you 7 days to contact me from today, 7 days from tonight, I should say, with your email. Even if you know I have your email address and your information, please drop me an email to scrapping, that's SCRAPPING, at djgems.net. That's djgems.net. Also, my mail and information, email and all that is also in the description area, so you can go there to get it. But please drop me an email with your information, you know, your shipping address, so that we can stick to the rules and go by the rules, so we don't have any problems. And that way I can send your prizes out to you. Everybody, we appreciate you. Dean, Tomokos, I feel like a bum because you didn't have that in there. But how about sending me your address, your mailing address, and I'll go ahead and send you out at least one of my magnets. So anyway, guys, have a good one. I just wanted to get this posted, and we will see you all in the next video. Don't forget, 7 days from tonight, you need to go ahead and email me your information so I can get your prizes sent out to you. Have a good one, and we'll see y'all in the next video.